G'day ladies and gentlemen, I have another Lego gun for you. This Lego gun is a custom rifle that I built for myself. So let's get straight into the features of this gun. So this gun isn't even really based off anything. I just built this gun and yeah. Okay, let's start from the barrel. So as you can see, it has a big muzzle right there. It's pretty big. Got a handle. Well, tonight, actually, we have got a handle right here, but this is just where you hold your hand like this. We got the bit that raises up here. We got a red dot that's connected by 1x2 plates right there on the rail right here. We got flip up iron sights too. Right there, these are Jim's Lego Guns iron sights. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. We got the ejection port right there. Right there. We've got ammo on the side here. We got the actual bolt. Now, if you can look in the ejection port while I'm pulling back the bolt, you can see that little ring there, and it has a rubber band attached to it. That will spring off the thing. So I'll grab a round right here, and I will put it in. And as you can see, that little thing right there sticks on, and then when you fires very hard, but it fires very silently too. It's a very silent gun. We have a little beam here just to hold the thing in place because there's a lot of tension under this rubber band. We have a very sturdy grip here. You can do this with the gun. It's very nice. Trigger right there. Very nice trigger. We've got the cheek pad right here, just so it elevates your eyes to the iron sights. And then we've got the little stock here that's based off like a Barrett, but yeah. So I'll show you some shooting of this gun right now. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.